Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
I love superheroes. I love super hit heroes. This hero wears a cape. This hero wears a cape. The cape is bright red. The cape is bright red. This hero wears a mask. This hero wears a mask. The mask covers the eyes. The mask covers the eyes. This hero can fly. This hero can fly. I want to fly too. I want to fly too. This hero is very strong. This hero is very strong. I am strong too. I am strong too. This hero runs very fast. This hero runs very fast. I can run fast too. I can run fast too. This hero has a star symbol. This hero has a star symbol. The suit sparkles in the light. The suit sparkles in the light. The star is on the chest. The star is on the chest. This hero holds a shield. This hero holds a shield. The shield keeps everyone safe. The shield keeps EVERY1 safe. This hero helps people. This hero helps people. Superheroes are very kind. Superheroes.are very.kind. This hero saves a cat. This hero saves a cat. The hero is a good helper. The hero is a good helper. This hero has glowing hands. This hero has glowing hands. My hands can glow too. My hands can glow too. This hero is very brave. This hero is very brave. The hero helps put out fires. The hero helps put out fires. This hero wears special boots. This hero wears special boots. The boots have lightning bolts. The boots have lightning bolts. These heroes work together. These heroes work together. There are 4 heroes in the team. There are 4 heroes in the team. This hero is the leader. This hero is the leader. The leader helps the team. The leader helps the team. I cannot see the hero now. I cannot see the hero now. This hero can become invisible. This hero can become invisible. The hero has special swim boots. The hero has special swim boots. This hero talks to animals. This hero talks to animals. This hero can grow very tall. This hero can grow very tall. I want to grow tall too. I want to grow tall. This hero can become very small. This hero can become very small. This hero has a tool belt. Oh! This hero has a tool belt. The belt has many tools.
Belt?
Belt has many white tools. This hero flies a special vehicle. This hero flies a special vehicle. Whoosh! The vehicle flies fast. Whoosh! The vehicle flies fast. I have a cape too.
I
Have a cape too. I am wearing my cape. I am wearing my dye cape. I am wearing a mask too. I look like a superhero. I look like a superhero. I am flying like a hero. I am flying like a hero. I am strong like a hero. I am strong like a hero. A hero is always kind. Hero is always kind. I help clean my room. I help clean my room. I can be a hero too. I can be a hero too. I will draw my own hero. I will draw my own hero. I draw a red cape. I draw a red cape. I draw a blue mask. I draw a blue mask. I draw a star symbol. I finished my superhero drawing. I finished my superhero drawing. I will name my hero. My hero lives on my wall. My hero lives on my wall. I feel proud and strong. I feel proud and strong. Everyone can be a hero. Every1 can be a hero. I love learning about superheroes. I love.learning.about.superheroes.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.